Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude, and I'm back with another Jurassic World figure review. And let me tell you, this one is long overdue. I've been holding off on this for quite a while, and I'm not sure why. I've had this just sitting around since I pre-ordered it, I think on Entertainment Earth. And boy oh boy, is it beautiful as heck. The box is just stunning. Was it Entertainment Earth, or was it Mattel? Is it the Mattel store? They have like this exclusive online store. I'm not sure. It was one or the other. I'm pretty sure it was the Mattel Creations store? Question mark. Regardless of where I got it, I'm excited to finally open it up. So you can see on the front, it's the power station house thingy, and I love the Jurassic Park logos on the box everywhere. That is great. So this guy, alongside the Dennis Nedry and the John Hammond Comic-Con exclusives, this makes for the third one so far. And on the back you can see here it says what happens to Ray Arnold in his final scene. After shutting down Jurassic Park's power system, he lends a hand to help turn on the power circuit breakers. But he isn't seen again, at least not entirely. Ooh, that's pretty dark. So we get to see his arm. And I'm pretty sure this set comes with a detachable arm, and at this scale, that's pretty good. So the top opens up and you can see there's another box inside. Pretty sure it's the powerhouse. We get these little cards here. And it says how to take it out from the side. Access the battery from the bottom of the tray to replace the batteries. Okay, so I think it comes with batteries already, which is good. I like that. Ooh, and it's shaped like the... Oh my goodness. Okay, wait. So let's gently put the box down instead of yeeting it like usual. There it is. Wow. That's so cool. You can see next to a human figure, the door is in scale. That's awesome. So, I'm not enjoying the fact that the sides are taped, because that means I have to cut the tape, I guess? Because it's... Ooh, there's magnets holding the front on. Because I don't want to, like, damage this at all. But I guess I have to cut them.
Theoretically, yes, but we've never shut down the entire system before. It may not come back on at all.
Oh my god. Okay, so there's a little button down there that when you release it, it makes noise.
Hold on to your butts.
So every time you open this, and it's held on by magnets...
No, that's crazy. You're out of your mind. He's absolutely out of his mind.
There's sounds and light effects, like the Nedry set, but like awesomer.
White rabbit object. Whatever it did it all. But with the key checks off, the computer didn't file the keystroke, so the only way to find them now is to go through the computer's lines of code one by one.
And we also get a stock raptor sound effect. And I love the blue lighting and like the flickering light from the bottom there.
3 minutes, I can have power back on the entire park.
And you can see his arm does attach. There's a little bit of red on there.
Hold on to your butts.
Okay, so we get quite a wide range of phrases from the movie, which is awesome. I'm pretty sure the sound's coming from that plastic part down there. And the raptor's actually looking like the re-release of the Amber Collection Raptor, where they made this body more cheaper and lighter. And then you can see clearly the head is a different color, and they just end it there where it's attached. But I do like those painted claws. That's really nice. I want to see the lighting effect one more time.
3 minutes, I can have power back on the entire park.
See, I like that little flashing. That's really cool. And then you can see on the back there, they've got all the details on, I think it's printed on? No, these are stickers. That's printed. Ooh, what's that? I think this is painted. Wow. So they've got a mix of painted and stickers. They've painted like more 3D parts like this, and then they stickered the rest, which is actually a nice mix. And I'm pretty sure we've got here the different. Oh wow, that is cool. That's a cool detail. Got all the names on there. What's that say? Oh, okay, that's cool. That is sick. Look at how small the font is. I can't even... My camera's not wanting to zoom in on that. So, let's take this out, I guess. I'm gonna try from this side. And we're gonna see how that works. Should have gotten smaller scissors. And... I think that's it. Yeah, there's none on the bottom. Man, Mattel did a great job with this. I'm actually really looking forward to the next one. I'm betting it's either gonna be what's his face on the toilet, or it's gonna be Lex. It's gotta be one or the other. Maybe Lex will come in like one of the Rangers with lights and sounds or something. That'd be sick. Okay, we gotta slide this out somehow. Come on. I thought it said it'd slide out.
White rabbit object. Whatever it did,
Oh.
the key checks off. The computer didn't find
The button.
keystroke, so the only way to find them now is to go through the computer's lines of code one by one.
So you gotta hold the button down.
No, that's crazy. You're out of your mind. He's absolutely out of his mind.
Or not. There we go.
Theoretically, yes.
There we go.
Never shut down the entire system before.
So
It did not
there's
come back on at all.
the box without the guts, and here's the guts. So, first off, we cut the raptor out. So I'm gonna do it like a so. Like a so. And there's the raptor. Oh my god, it comes with a scan code. Bruh. So there's the scan code. Should probably do an updated legacy scan code video after this one. So there it is, if you guys need it. Holy cow, look at the eyes. This nice shiny green color. Silvery green. And there's the mouth open. No painted top jaw, which I was talking about before. I really like when they do it in the cheap figures, you can see. But nope, no painted top jaw. They put all of their effort into the machine back there. I like the crouch raptor position. Not a big fan of the coloration, but to be honest, they already did a coloration of the first movie Raptors for a legacy pack with Hammond and Ellie, and those are pretty cool. So I get why they wouldn't want to do that again, because it already exists. So they're trying out different paint jobs, and I'm actually enjoying the fact that these stripes go all the way down to the end of the tail. That's really nice. You don't really see that in these cheaper Raptor molds, but that's really good. Like, I'm enjoying that a lot. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's just not, I guess, accurate. But again, Mattel's putting out different styles so the figures aren't too repetitive, which is good. And you can slip this out.
3 minutes, I can have power back on the entire park.
Which I guess I'll slip out. Because why not?
Theoretically, yes, but we've never shut down the entire system before.
Oh my god, and there's one in the back. So if you slip it out, it still looks like that.
White rabbit object. Whatever it did it all. But with the key checks off, the computer didn't file the keystroke, so the only way to find them now is to go through the computer's lines of code one by one.
There's the box right there, where the sound comes from. There's the back right there of everything. So now we can take a closer look at the names. Visitor Center Compound, Maid Shed / Bunker. So this is the main maintenance shed and the bunker. Visitor Center Control Room, Visitor Center Tour, Genetics, Fertilization Hatchery, Grounds Tour, Grounds Surveillance System, Herbivore Feeding Compound, Carnivore Feeding Compound, Velociraptor Pen Fence, T-Rex Paddock Fence, and the Perimeter Fence. That's so cool. Okay, so how are we gonna get you out? He's got some restraints holding him in, so let's just snip that. And there we have him. Oh my god. Wow, they put a lot of detail into his suit. I mean, I'm not surprised because they did that with Nedry, and Nedry looked fantastic. And now let's put the arms down. Not sure how this arm comes out, so we're just gonna pop that out. So it's a little ball joint. It's the same color as his skin. Oh my god, I thought it would be like a little bone color. That'd be kind of cute. So we pop that back in. Still has that little line, but that's obviously because the scale, you can't really do anything about that. There we go. I love his glasses too. Oh my god, they're so tiny. You can see under them, they even did the eyes quite well. Man, they fit a lot of features and like details into such a small scale. Oh my goodness. His torso rotates. He's got his tie on, kind of undone. And belt's painted, shoes are painted. And he fits here. Wow, that's such a cool display piece. Oh my god.
No, that's crazy. You're out of your mind. He's absolutely out of his mind.
So now the dilemma is, do I keep it in the box and open, or do I have them out like that? I'm gonna slide this back in now that I have taken those out. And we're gonna see what it looks like without the figures in it. Okay. Oh, it still looks nice. I mean, besides the plastic. I guess I could keep them in. But I do really like them out like that. Like, this is such a cool stand with the backdrop and everything. I'll decide later, actually. I'll test it out. I'll put it up both ways and see what looks the best. But yeah, oh man, I'm so glad I jumped on this set. Kind of wish I got two now, because it would have been nice to have one in package and one out. Because, you know, the display looks so nice inside. But that's so cool that they gave us a different raptor style with different coloration. Like, even down to the ankles, they put the pattern, which is really nice. And same with the arms. You never see the arms get painted like this. But they put in that extra work, which should not go unseen. Even the snout has a little bit of different paint on it. So they got the browns overlapping, which is nice. So yeah, this raptor is such a nice figure. Accuracy, low. Loving the color though. Like, loving the pattern, loving the style. And from afar, the dark head really blends in with the pattern on the back, for sure. Just can't look too close at it. Man, and Ray Arnold looks sick. So before we go, let's actually take a look at him next to the rest of the Legacy Collection figures. So far we've got Hammond, Grant, Tim, guess I can take his thing off. We got Robert. He's pretty tall, oh my god. Dennis, I'm pretty sure is quite short. Ian, can put him in the back. And Ellie. So we got 3 more characters. 2 more characters to be made as figures from the main cast. Yeah? Sure. Anyways, so there he is next to the rest of the cast, and he fits perfectly. Like, I mean, perfectly. Really nice height, really nice proportions, and like really fitting. What? Okay, I'm not gonna clip this out. I'm too lazy. Just ignore this, guys. So yeah, no, I love the detail too. Fantastic figure. So glad to add him to the collection.